Fare bella figura. Make a good impression. Be a sharp-dressed man. Hi, my name's Greg Story. I'm the president of Dale Carnegie Tokyo Training, and I run my own soft skills training franchise business here in Tokyo. Many years ago, I decided to dress for success. Each day I consult my schedule, and that day's work content drives my sartorial choices. Before I head out the door every day, I check myself in the mirror and I ask, do I look like one of the most professional people in my industry? Well, this day I had a breakfast meeting with a client who's Italian and who runs an Italian food service manufacturing company here. It has nothing to do with training, but based on our discussion about how to cut down the number of calls they get to their call center, I suggested they video the top 20% of problems clients consistently have and put them up on their website. Later that day, I was able to connect him with Ryan McAvoy from Japan Media Services, a multiple prize-winning documentary filmmaker who has helped me with many of my own video shoots. My client and I met at Princi, a favourite and wonderful Italian bakery in the tea site, the Tsutaya Daikanyama complex. I discovered Princi during a visit to Milano, was blown away with the variety and the quality. I later visited their shop in London and always wished we had it in Japan, and now we have it. After that meeting, I had a follow-up meeting with a very large pharma client. They have a robust training internal program already, and I am trying to break into the plan. They assured me nothing would happen until after April 2025. Welcome to Japan. I wanted to look friendly, approachable, and appropriate for the very warm summer day we were having. Lunch was at the Tokyo American Club American Bar and Grill restaurant, but being a Friday, the place was deserted. I only saw one client. I chose my bird's eye pattern grey custom suit with wool fabric from Vitale Barberis, with notched lapels, flap pockets, double cuffs, side vents, double pleats, and over-the-calf grey socks. The shirt was custom with a blue and white butcher stripe pattern, and the cufflinks were blue and white to match with Kirby Allison horn collar stays. The dark grey and blue pocket square created some contrast with both the tie and the shirt and was folded with a reversed puff. The silver corporate badge was Dale Carnegie. The business card holder was Lanvin. The pen, my black and gold Mont Blanc. The watch, my 24mm Cartier Tank Française, which is fogging up already, and which Cartier says it means I should replace it with a new one. After an overhaul, I could finally get back my Sumo Yokozuna Grand Champion Takanohana Supporters 21st Victory Commemorative 32mm watch with sun and moon red Fuji design with a black caiman alligator strap. This design was created by Yamazaki Haruhiko, an artist famous for painting red Fuji scenes, and who also provided the same design for the formal apron worn by Takanohana for when the sumo tori make their entrance to the ring at the opening ceremony. I've had this commemorative watch since I was the Australian Consul General in Osaka. The blue tie was by Thomas Pink out of London with a double Windsor knot. The shoes were high shine, dark brown, Vegano calf, Carmina Mallorca cap-toe Oxfords with a swan neck design using the rain last and have J.R. Redenbach oak bark soles and were tied with a Parisian knot. Do you need to sell more? Is your sales manager stressing you about making your monthly sales quota? Do-it-yourself trial and error, waste time and resources. There's a perfect solution for you. You can find out more in the attachments to this video from us here at Dale Carnegie Tokyo Training.